in a private corporation.
That's right, Your Honor. I just don't remember the name of the company that operates it. But when I assumed as the Commissioner of Customs, I made a study of the operations of Customs. And of course, Bureau of Customs at time, we have a problem pertaining to corruption. It's something that we have to address. And it starts with, well, one is the process of the processing of the goods that comes in. And that one essential part of that process is the X-ray.
Kaya nga po, Commissioner, napaka-importante po nito kasi itong pong X-ray sa designated examination area is a sovereign function. Ibig sabihin po, function po to ng ating gobyerno. Hindi po to function ng isang private corporation.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, ang tanong ko sa inyo, Commissioner, why did you allow to operate a private company using the X-ray in a designated examination area?
Well, as I've said, Mr. Chair, it was already existing that time when I arrived.
Okay.
So, yeah, and so we made a study to improve the system. In fact, that's one of those that I saw that needs to be corrected, including we even have a study and almost complete automation of our customs
Bakit
operation.
hindi po natin kinancel? Kasi kung titingnan nyo yung picture, no?
Yes,
Alam niyo po ba yung X-ray na andun sa isang private company being owned by Golden Sun? At lahat po ng mga container, kaya pala pumapasok yung mga ating imported goods, lumabas na siya ng custom, saka mo pa lamang siya i-X-ray. It doesn't make sense, ha? Na pagkalabas niya ng custom, saka ka palang dadaan sa X-ray sa isang private company. Now, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, sir, sino po ang may-ari ng Golden Sun?
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, I don't remember.
Hindi
If I
niyo po
may-
tanda.
If I may, Congressman
Yes.
Fernandez, Golden Sun 999,
No, it's not Golden Sun 999.
Oh.
It's Golden Sun Cargo Examination Services Corporation.
okay.
I know where you're driving at, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, but I'd just like to
Yes, sige,
inform Your Honor that the owner of Golden Sun 999 is Mr. Tony Yang.
Yes.
So perhaps that would help you in trying to drive at your point, Your Honor.
Actually, Mr. Chairman, I know the answer in my questions, but I just wanted them to answer me. Para titingnan ko kung nagsasabi sila ng totoo. Siguro tanongin natin si Commissioner Paldon. Commissioner Paldon, during the time na ikaw po ang commissioner, have you encountered this problem? This huge problem of our country? Malaking problema natin yung mga nawawalang containers. A while ago, I was talking to the chairman and we are talking about the name of that boxes that were found in Dumoy that came from Cagayan de Oro, doon mismo sa port. Nakapasok. Dahil ang X-ray nasa labas at mag-aari ng isang private corporation na Golden Sun. And that's the reason why, Commissioner Nick Paldon, do you know about this issue, about the designated examination area, wherein a private corporation sa pangalan ng Golden Sun Cargo Examination Services Corporation owns the X-ray na ginagamit doon po sa mga containers na lumalabas galing sa custom? Do you know about this?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, in Mindanao, there are two cases of similarly situated. One in Davao and one in Cagayan de Oro. During my time, I vehemently questioned why X-rays were conducted outside the customs property. In fact, in Davao, it's across the street, and Davao was at that time under litigation because there's an issue of whether or not the X-ray has to be conducted in in that private property. So that cases was dragged until I think what's finally the custom won that the X-ray to be conducted in that private property will be stopped. As far as that Cagayan de Oro is concerned, I know about it. I asked our legal department why that one was approved in 2012, because when I assume it's already there, contracts were already signed, and I think it's not the commissioner who signed it. I think it's higher authority who signed the contract. So I tried to ask our legal to.
Who is the highest authority in here? Mr. Paidon?
I am not sure whether it's just the commissioner who signed it, but definitely it's
Who was the commissioner who signed it?
2012, sir. So
Yes.
that's I assume in 2016.
But during your time that you were already the commissioner, you have the power to cancel the contract because it is a sovereign function. Eh. Meaning, ang X-ray sa isang designated examination area, ang nag-handle niyan is government. It should not be private corporation.